I am loyal to nothing, General, except the dream. This was what Captain America said while he was trying to unravel Nuke's history and his origin. Now, what happened after that? We will find out in this episode of Daredevil Born Again. Let's find out, guys, what exactly happened to Captain America. Was he able to find out about Nuke's origin? What happened to Matt Murdock, and what eventually happened to Kingpin? Now let's start. Captain America started investigating about Nuke's origin on his own hand, and he went to SHIELD's headquarters. He went to SHIELD's database, where he finally managed to find out about Nuke's origin. After that, Captain America went head to head with Nuke when he finally managed to bring him literally down from the top floor of the SHIELD's headquarters. But at that moment, Daredevil interrupted him while Captain America was trying to fight Nuke. And Daredevil took him away. Daredevil took Nuke away from Captain America and he brought him to Daily Bugle, therefore finally at this moment bringing out the truth about Nuke and his whole story in front of everybody. Finally, the whole world got to know the truth about how Kingpin had brought Nuke to Hell's Kitchen and had ravaged Hell's Kitchen and caused destruction in Hell's Kitchen. Kingpin's real face was now revealed to the whole world about how ruthless and how crazy him and his criminal endeavors actually were. Daredevil managed to bring Kingpin down. He defeated him. He managed to hurt Kingpin in his face. The respect which Wilson Fisk had garnered from people, the fear that he had garnered from in people's heart, in which people feared Kingpin and Wilson Fisk, it had all gone away. Daredevil had taken it all away from Kingpin, and at the end, he finally managed to beat Kingpin in the gut and pin him down. So this is it, guys. It was the end. Matt Murdock finally managed to walk away in a happy way with Karen Page at the end, who was much better now without those drugs and all that, without heroin and all that. Karen Page and Matt Murdock finally were ready to give their relationship another chance at survival after whatever had happened to them, after whatever had happened to their relationship. So that was it, guys. Daredevil Born Again. This was the story. I was actually pretty excited to tell this story to you guys from a very long time. It's actually very interesting. I think yes, it is actually. Daredevil Born Again is a really great story. Also, another reason to this is that Frank Miller did kind of gave rebirth to Daredevil. I think that would be correct to say, because he completely overhauled Daredevil. Frank Miller made Daredevil what he is actually today. Frank Miller was the man who wrote The Dark Knight Returns, and we all know how important The Dark Knight Returns is in the industry of comic books. For all the readers, how important Dark Knight Returns is. It is the best Batman story ever written. So in a way, yeah, Frank Miller did the same thing to Daredevil with Daredevil Born Again, what he did to Batman with Batman The Dark Knight Returns. It was fun actually telling you guys this story. If you are new to Bonsai TV, please like and share to this channel. Please like and share the videos. I'll continue giving you guys this awesome content, this type of awesome content, and I hope I'll meet you guys next time. Until then, peace out, guys. Have a nice day.